Day 2. It's Mac. We're back. Today we're tackling some walleye with Scott and Mike. Same guys we had out yesterday. We're gonna go see what we can do, make some stuff happen. Hopefully get little Scotty on a few walleye today.
Well, my name's Scott. Back in 2018, I was diagnosed with a very rare and extremely deadly version of cancer called APL leukemia. And this form of blood cancer is very invasive and spreads very easily. It spread deep into my bones, so I was instantly put on a very intense chemotherapy called arsenic, where for 9 months I was getting chemotherapy daily. And during this period, I developed a brain infection known as listeria. And what this brain infection did was cause my brain to swell up at an alarming rate. So they removed half my skull to leave my brain room to swell out. But before they did that, damage had occurred, and the part of my brain that controlled my right side had melted away. Left me a vegetable when I woke up from my first coma. I had to relearn everything. I was less capable than a newborn baby. But now, after 7 years of pushing myself every day, I'm walking again, even with a paralyzed foot and a paralyzed arm and paralyzed hand. I'm still fishing.
Still fishing. Fishing with his teeth like a savage. Like I said, probably the most badass fisherman I know. And we're out here giviner, hunting out some lake trout in northern Manitoba. You got him, dude.
Yeah,
It bit you, dude.
Baby.
Keep her tight, keep her tight.
You got her, baby.
Oh, baby. Dude. Crazy moment here.
Doesn't look like a small fish either.
Keep her tight, man. Yep. You're doing good. You're doing killer. Fighting it with his teeth. That's so savage.
Amazing, man. That's beast mode.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah, it's actually a really big
Oh,
fish.
yeah.
Keep her tight. Dude, so epic, man.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, dude. So epic, dude.
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
Love it.
Okay.
You got him?
Yeah, I got her. Okay. Reeled in with the teeth. That's so epic, dude. I'm so pumped you got that one.
Ready to rock and roll?
I wonder what. Walleye o'clock. Ching.
Not the one I'm looking for. Boom! Oh yeah, it's a notch up. Little few big shoreline.
The big
That's what I wanted, man.
cha-ching.
That's the one I was casting at. Yeah. Release one to grab another one.
Whoa! Stock him, baby. Pow! Ching. Cha-ching. Probably the biggest one so far. Taking a few casts, casting around a giant plastic and a jig. Taking it easy on the filming side of things today, just trying to enjoy some time with the boys, but casted around this big giant plastic, crunched it. So basically we're just cruising around, bouncing spot to spot, dropping down, catching some fish, and then going checking out another area. Not too much sitting and waiting today, just a lot of bumping around and catching a few fish. Mike just got a nice big fat walleye. Check out that big Cisco tail sticking out. You can feel in this fish, there's like a foot long Cisco in there. Deadly. Got him. Boom, baby.
Must be a better one.
Better fish.
Oh yeah, walleye.
Nice big chunky.
Heck yeah.
Still is lots of
Scott with a nice Northern Manitoba walleye. Want to get a picture of that one?
Yeah.
With all the big fish roaming around, I'm upsizing to a mega Z-Man. This is a Z-Man on a 2.5 ounce sand eel head. And this is probably going to be close to a 12-inch long bait. So we're going to see what happens.
All water bait.
Not too shabby. Smoke the big bait. It's going to be a tank, dude.
That looks like it.
Gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's a tank, dude.
Oh, buddy.
That's giant.
That's 30? That's going 30. That's going
Crushed that giant big tank.
That's
So took a couple casts with the big plastic, and this absolute unit just choked it. We're gonna get some. We're gonna get a closer look at this fish. That thing absolutely choked that giant plastic. That is a giant bait for giant fish. Let's see this fish. That absolute tank. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby. 31.
It's 31 inches.
31 and a quarter.
Yeah, buddy.
Crush that big plastic.
Okay, I've got to go to a big plastic, I guess.
What a giant, bro. Yeah. Ready to rock.
That was sick.
That was a giant, man. That was sweet.
Heck yeah.
Oh boy. We raised the bar.
Yeah, I think so, buddy. Yeah.
Knocking, baby. Looks like nicer fish, no?
Yep.
Sweet.
Take long. Not shabby. Boom! Doubled. Up. Rod's bent every which way. Who the heck's in charge of this boat? Not too shabby.
Big one.
Big one?
Yeah.
Dude, I was in the middle of trying to go pee. Sure. Bad. Yeah. Batty. They're not always bigger. Still fun to play around though. Another nice walleye on the big plastic. Chucking her. Okay, so we're fishing one last little trout spot here. I'm gonna bleed out the walleye, and then we're gonna head over and do shore lunch.
Oh, the big one on the
And we'll catch up with you guys there.
That's nice trout, yeah.
Mike with the nice lake trout. Didn't take long. We got a nice one on the boat here.
Thanks, buddy. Can we drop the boat motor, spot walking?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're on shore. Me and Mr. Eliment Custom, Mike Harris, are gonna make up shore lunch. And we're gonna bring it down to the boat. We're gonna avoid injury by trying to tackle climbing mountainous rocks right now.
Greasy. It's greasy. You've seen a few shore lunches.
Yeah, it's against a shore lunch cooker's religion to clean it. Yeah, it should be sweet too. Yeah. Couple pretty sweet fish. Yeah.
Put these on your side.
Thank you. It's gonna be an epic shore lunch sitting in the boat, pouring rain.
Yeah.
It'll be so funny. Dinner is served, my man. Just a little picnic in the rain, you guys. Okay, lunch is officially done. We are in the boat, enjoying a rainy lunch. Fresh walleye, buddy.
Heck yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys. Some good fish and some good memories. Not bad for a shore lunch in the rain, boys.
Yeah. Good stuff.
So would you like better fishing for walleye or lake trout?
I don't know, lake trout that was a lot of fun.
Yeah. What would you say?
My favorite? Oh man, it's a toss-up. What about you?
I know, it's always cool. Like it was nice getting a big walleye today. It was cool.
Yeah, if we were just getting, you know, just cookie cutter eaters all day, then it's like, yeah, lake trout.
Definitely.
But there was that, like, really big fish caliber
Mhm.
and potential. So,
Yeah, you got one that was almost 28 as well. Well, the fish may not be as crispy as we would have liked, boys. Little rain. Never hurt though.
no.
That's such a depressing last shore lunch, you guys.
At least it tastes good.
It's only minorly soggy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a wrap on the last couple days fishing out with these boys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like Scott says, never stop fishing, just keep giving her. We'll see you guys on the next adventure, and I'll tag Scott's social medias down below. We started a GoFundMe for Scott to help him get back on his feet after a life-changing, life-altering event. Make sure you check it out and support the cause. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next adventure.